Ek is hierso by die fietsry, die Tour de Vrystaat, Tour de Vrystaat, en ek is saam met premier Ys Magashule, KSFM. Premier, baie welkom hier by ons.
Baie dankie. Welkom u ook.
We don't actually have to welcome you because you're part of the community. Yep, dis net so. Van KSFM se kant af, dankie ook vir hierdie inisiatief van die fietsry. 'n Boodskap vir ons gemeenskap, premier.
Kyk, as ons wel 'n nasie bou, soos wit en swart mense.
Ja.
En in die Vryheid Manifest het ons so gesê dat Suid-Afrika behoort aan almal wit en swart. As ons die ekonomie van Parys en die hele gemeenskap van Water munisipaliteit en Vesselen wel die rijkdom en die ekonomie bou, moet ons paar van die goedes wat ons doen vandaag by hier selke plekke brengen. Want in die hele Vrystaat, dit is gesê dat Parys en Bethlehem, of Parys en Clarence, hierdie twee dorpies word so groot elke dag. Daar is baie ontwikkeling.
Ontwikkeling, ja.
En daar die twee dorpe in die Vrystaat. En dat is hoekom vandaag ons het hierdie Tour de Vrystaat. En daar is mensen van oorkant, van Spanje af, van Belgium af, van Namibië af, van Lesotho af, van die hele provincies.
Complimenten.
Van Zuid-Afrika. En ik wil net zeggen, bij die mensen van Parijs, wit en zwart, baie dankie dat jullie hier zijn gekomen. Werk hard. Is net die mensen wat voor zekere goedes kan eindelijk veranderen.
Ja, ja.
Ik is baie blij dat ik is hier zo vandaag. En ik wil net zeggen, mijn boodschap is baie kort en bondig. Laat ons werken, laat ons saamstaan. Sterkste aan die mensen van...
Premier, baie dankie. Ek moet vir u sê, ons het vanoggend al seker omtrent 10 liedjies en versoekies vir u gespeel, hoor, wat u natuurlik nou nie geluister het op 94.9 MHz FM nie. Dan vir ons stasie, Koepel Stereo, KSFM. Geef vir ons 'n bietjie onderskraging.
Ek sal so doen.
Baie dankie, premier.
Ek sal so doen en baie dankie, gelukwens aan julle daarso. Ons sal weer ontmoet.
Baie dankie.
Tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
In the late 50s, in 1960, when there was this Pound a Day, Nelson Mandela represented some of the workers from National Bolts. There was a factory here called National Bolts. The workers of that factory were represented by Nelson Mandela as their lawyer. So this area has a particular history. But also in Parliament, if you check your Hansard, in 1957 or 58, this town was supposed to be the capital of South Africa in terms of administration. And we lost that debate when the National Party was divided. And that's why Pretoria then became the headquarters. It was going to be the headquarters of Parliament, of government, because it's surrounded by water. If you look at internationally, you'll realize that capital, big cities, administrative, are next to the river. And that's the plus of this town. Now we have the Vredefort Dome, which is the third largest beachfront site in the world. You have now the biggest political school of the ANC, which has been built here. They've already started the work. So this town can grow if the municipality and the people here, black and white, can work together. The regional offices of government in the province are coming here because Sasol is going to be the industrial hub. We're going to put a lot of factories and industry. But all government departments from next year, they will come here. Remember, this is the area in 1984, July 15, which sparks the war against the black local authorities. July 15, from July 15, Paris, September 3, the Vaal, from the Vaal, Cradock, from Cradock, the rest of the country. So when we were sneezing during those years, the rest of the country just schooled too.
There was a connection between yourself, Ys Magashule, and Saki van der Schuyt.
Yes. Where is Saki? Still alive? It's you.